WeQuote is a web-based quoting tool that makes life easy for home automation dealers like myself. It is easy to use while remaining very accurate with payment tracking and generate very professional-looking quotes which are fully customizable. From now on, I can send this type of quote for a Lutron system to my client as a web link or PDF. Look, it's beautiful. I can add a bit here about my company with logo, text, and pictures. A quick brief about the system I'm quoting. Here, it's a Lutron homework system, but you can quote any other type of system, such as audio, video, network, CCTV systems from all your favorite brands.